Every day, millions of people enjoy Herbalife Nutrition products. Since 1980, quality has been at the heart of everything we do. It all begins at the source, with the finest ingredients from farmers who have been harvesting for generations. From there, we test and verify ingredient quality and purity to support our promise to deliver the highest quality product to our consumers. Our team of scientists conduct additional tests that verify raw ingredients, nutritional value, and taste. Our manufacturing facilities and labs have achieved the highest level of independent accreditation, reflecting our commitment to uniform global quality standards where our products are sold. Being the leading nutrition company in the world is a distinction earned through our uncompromised commitment to quality. We've earned the trust of millions of people who choose Herbalife Nutrition to help them lead a healthier lifestyle and achieve results today, tomorrow, and in the years to come.